Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, if today's your first day of viewing, you're welcome. If you're a subscriber, thank you for your support, and I really appreciate you guys. And yes, today is Saturday, and I was supposed to post a video yesterday. So I was kind of busy, so I couldn't make it for yesterday. So I'm gonna go on ahead today and make sure I post this video after I finished cooking this lovely dish we're gonna have today. Okay, so let me introduce you to my ingredients. Today actually I'm making a vegetable fried rice, Nigerian style. Okay, and it's gonna be with chicken. Okay, so I will introduce you to my ingredients. Right there I have my chicken. This whole chicken, hard chicken, medium hard chicken I got from the African store. And this is my Scotch bonnet pepper, onions. I've got my garlic right here. We're going to be using 2 cloves of that. We've got ginger, we've got KNORR cubes, and the normal MAGGI cube. I've got my green bell pepper today, and I've got right here the mixed vegetable. The mixed veggies I have today is the carrot, green beans, and some peas in it. Okay, and I have my hot curry powder. I've got thyme, I've got AROMAT, and the salt. We're using olive oil, rice, and the kind of rice I'm going to be using for this recipe is that golden stella rice. You know why? Because the rice is so, you know, when you use it for fried rice, it drops like one, you know, mean by one. It doesn't, you know, stick together, and it's quite the best rice for this kind of recipe. That's why I'm putting up the rice. Okay, look at it, see how nice it is. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna start prepping all the ingredients. First I'm gonna wash and season my chicken and get it you know, to cook, and then we'll carry on with the cooking. Okay guys, now I've washed my chicken. I washed that chicken with a piece of lime, you know, to get out all the slimy smell and all that. Okay, so I cleaned it very well with salt and lime. And here I've chopped up my onions and that Scotch bonnet pepper. In here I have like 3 Scotch bonnet pepper and half of that onions I showed you earlier. So I'm just gonna take that in. Okay, so in goes that one. Alright, so I'm gonna go on ahead now and put 1 cube of the MAGGI cube stock and the 1 KNORR cube. That's 2. Okay, in goes that. So we're putting in our thyme. I'm just gonna go on ahead and put like half like 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder as well. I'm just using my eyes to measure. You'll be wondering how does she know it's 1 teaspoon, but I'm using my eyes to measure it. Okay, and I'm just gonna add maybe half a teaspoon of our all-purpose AROMAT. Half a teaspoon. There you go. So right now I'm just gonna turn up the heat. I put it on a high heat for a start. Okay, if you noticed I've not added water at this point. I'm gonna go on ahead now and add just not too much water. 1 cup of water with the, you know, to bring our chicken to boil. And if you notice, I did not put any salt in it. Salt is optional. If you want to put salt, you can add your salt, but I think the AROMAT have got salt in it, the MAGGI have got salt in it, so I'm going to be really easy with salt, so I'm not going to put salt in that. And if you don't like this much pepper, you can skip that option. Okay, alright, so I'm just going to cover it up and let our chicken cook for like half an hour, and we'll come back to it, because we need the chicken broth. That's the water from the chicken, you know, to put in our rice before. I'll take you to that as well. So let's wait for our chicken to cook first. Okay, so guys, if today is your first time of viewing and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please do subscribe. Okay, My target is 1,000 subscribers. All right, so you guys need to support me and boost me right up there. Okay, guys, just please click the subscribe button below and leave a comment. And for people that have subscribed, I appreciate you guys comment on my videos. You guys rock. Okay, I really appreciate that. Okay, and I'm gonna have a surprise coming up soon. We're not gonna say so. Till then, let's keep subscribing and get more video going. Okay, so all right, now I'm just gonna leave our chicken to cook. Okay, then we'll come back to it to get cooking. Okay, now I'm gonna see how our chicken, if it's ready or not, then see what next to do to it. Yeah, the chicken is ready now because I bought the medium hard one, so you don't want to overcook it so it goes fluffy. Okay, so at this point I'm gonna get my oven tray. That's my oven tray. Hooray, we're gonna put in the oven today, in the grill actually. So I'm gonna use a disposable pan, disposable oven tray. Okay. So I drop the chicken in it. I'll show you what I've done. Let's pick that chicken up. Look for a very strong fork and get it out. Yeah. So I'm just quickly gonna do that and then come back. I've removed all our chicken and put in the oven disposable pan, okay, which is whatever. You can use your grill oven tray if you want, but I prefer to use the disposable ones, and that will be going in the grill in a minute. Yeah, okay, right. This chicken broth, I'm gonna filter it. Okay, I'm gonna use this to remove all the bits in it. Okay, I'll sieve out all the onions and everything in it, and then I have actually pre-cooked my rice. I like to pre-cook my rice and reduce the starch in it. So this is not well cooked yet. I just put it in this, bring it to boil and remove that water and give it a good wash. So I'm gonna sieve out this chicken broth with my sieve and that, and then I'll throw it in the rice and then put it back on a heat. Then I'll come back to that, okay? And now chicken goes in the grill. Just sieved out the onions from the chicken broth. Now I have just the chicken broth, so that will be going in our rice. In this rice there's no water at all in it, and be careful with the water. You don't want it too soft. You want to get that get the rice to drop the rice to be in strips like it is. So you give it a turn, give it a stir. Okay, rice. So I'm just gonna put it on, and now it's cooking again. So wait for the rice to done, then we'll get cooking. Okay, I'm just gonna see my chicken in the grill. Ooh, it's getting brown nicely. I'm gonna leave it for a bit till it's golden brown, and then we'll check our rice as well. Not yet there. So right now I'm just gonna start prepping the vegetable, and then we'll get going. I've nicely diced my onions here. You know, that half of the onions I showed you earlier, and here is my garlic finely diced, and the ginger as well, peeled off the skin and diced it very well. And here is my green pepper. I shred them in cubes, so whatever shape you want it. This is the shape I prefer it in this dish. And this is the 1 cube of the leftover of the other cube we used to cook the meat. And here is our vegetables. I've dissolved it and then put in a sieve to drain all the water in it. So right now I'm just gonna put all this together. Okay, now I'm gonna put my stove on. Okay, we're back on again on 6. Remember that our pot for the chicken, I didn't wash it. I just left the chicken oil in it. Okay, if you like. So you don't need to wash it. If you want to wash it, fine, you can wash it. But gonna be washing it so I can get all the nice taste from the pot as well. Here I'm putting in like 1 cooking spoon of olive oil, or any oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil today. So right now I'm gonna leave it to heat up, then we'll come back for it. I'll leave it for like 2 minutes to heat up properly. Okay, so then I'll come back to it. Okay, our oil is still heating up, but not as hot as I want it. So while we're at it, I'll just check our rice. It looks like it's ready now, so the light has come to amber. That means it's ready. So what you do at this point is to use a spoon and give it you know, not really a stir, just wiggle it about so it don't stick together. Anyway, this rice don't stick together. And then don't leave it on the heat. If you're using a rice cooker, do not leave it on like that. You off it from the switch so that it will be getting cold instead of keeping it warm. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it for now, and then we'll go on ahead and prep our veggie for the stir fry. Okay, so let's go. Right here I'm gonna put in my thyme, no, sorry, curry. So I'm gonna put quite a lot of curry. I'm gonna put like 1 tablespoon of this, my hot curry. You know why? To get that yellowish color in the dish, or greenish yellowish color in the dish. So that's like 1 tablespoon of my curry goes in there. And then I'm gonna put in the garlic and the ginger, and then come back. My garlic and ginger is in there now. Okay, so I'm gonna throw in my onions. Okay. Oh, I wish you were here to smell it. It smells divine. Smells awesome in here. The curry, the ginger, the onions. Wow, smells lovely. Okay, and then remember, we're multitasking. Okay, do not forget to keep your eyes on your chicken so it don't get burnt. Okay, still not quite brown yet, so we're gonna leave it and carry on with what we're doing. So we seal the onions for like 2-3 minutes like this. So, and then we're adding our KNORR cube. Remember the KNORR cube? I took 1. I used 1 for the chicken, no chicken. I used 1 for the chicken, and I'm gonna use 1 to fry my veggies. Okay. So in goes 1 of that before my green pepper. Okay, so in goes the green pepper as well. Okay, so there you go. Give it a good stir. It's optional if you want to put thyme. So I'm not going to be putting thyme in this vegetable, because I use the thyme to cook in the broth that I've got for the chicken. So the juice of the chicken is in the rice. We're pouring it, we're frying it, we have other ingredients in it. So that's the end of our rice. And we're going to leave that to cook for another 2 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, this has been cooking now for 2 minutes. Okay, so, and I'm happy with the way it is now. You don't want it overcooked. Okay, we want it to be nice and crunchy. Okay, so right now I'm gonna add our mixed veggies. Don't forget to sieve out the water. Okay, if you're using a frozen one. But if you're using a fresh one, make sure that yeah, you seal the carrots and the green pepper and the green beans first of all, before adding in your peas. Okay, So maybe one day I'm going to make a fresh I will be using fresh vegetables to do the same recipe on another tutorial. Okay, today I just feel like using the frozen vegetables I got from Farm Foods. Okay, so let's cover this up now. And oh, we've not added our aromat. What can you do without aromat? Okay, at this point we're gonna add our aromat. You know, the aromat all purposes, you know. Just gonna add like half a teaspoon, or yeah, half a teaspoon, because we have some in our rice already. Use it to cook the meat, and so the water of the meat is in the rice, so you have to be careful with salt at this point. Okay, so give it a stir and cover it up to cook for like 5 minutes. Then we'll start stir frying our rice with it. Okay, so we'll come back. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes. Our veggies have been cooking. Okay, so you don't want to overcook it. Okay, at this point. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it a taste and see if we need anything in it. That is lovely. Awesome. This is beautiful. So right now I'm just gonna switch it on the other side and get my non-sticking frying pan to do the stir fry. Okay, I've switched our vegetable in this bowl, so the pan is empty. I'm going to be transferring the rice when I'm done stir frying it in that pan. So we're using this my frying pan today. Okay, so I'm just going to go on ahead and scoop up a few spoons of this into the fry pan. Okay, into the fry pan, and then take the 2 scoops of this in the pan. Okay, make sure you don't put too much so it will blend properly and all will be dropped into, you know, single. Will drop in single, like the rice will drop, like, you know what I mean. So we just go on ahead and stir it. Okay, just like that. And then if you notice, you see the lovely yellowish kind of, or greenish kind of color. That's the curry and all the green veggies we use that give it this wonderful, beautiful color. Okay, so you just, you know, keep doing it like this, and until you've exhausted all the vegetable and the rice. So you keep repeating the process, and I'll come back to see the outcome. Oh, before we go, yeah, you keep stirring it. You stir it like this, and you keep stirring it for good 5 minutes is too much. You stir it for like 3 minutes each turn you're stir frying. Stir it for like 3 minutes. Okay, before I go, I will check my chicken. Oh, that is ready now, so I'm gonna turn the knob off so that we don't overcook or get it to be too crispy. So the grill is off now, the chicken is ready, and then I'll keep stirring it and repeating the process. Okay, this is the last session I'm doing now for the stir fry. You notice the rice is all gone and the vegetable is all gone, so I've blended them all, and this is the ones I've done. And here is the outcome of our grilled chicken. Yeah, so I'll come back with the last one and show you how you can dish it and enjoy it. Well, I've been very busy and multitasking, and I forgot to say, if you've not forgotten to subscribe, please do subscribe now. Okay, click the like button and share this video with your friends and family, and boost up your girl right here. Okay, So yeah, if you like this recipe, just give us a thumbs up, and yeah, share this video. And also please subscribe, okay? So I'm just gonna carry on doing this now, and then we'll now round up the cooking. Okay guys, this is the outcome of the vegetable fried rice. Okay, so and thank you for stopping by today to watch me prepare this wonderful dish, and I hope you try it. And then if you have not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe, because I said earlier there's something coming up, but I'm not gonna say. So if you don't want to miss it, please hit the subscribe button and then look out for my next video, okay? And then I'll take you to the how you can enjoy this meal. So here it is with our grilled chicken, okay? So thank you, and have a pleasant weekend, and take care of yourself, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.